counting down the days to that time of year. I can't believe it's finally here. 100 more miles of driving to go till I see the hills of home. Got everything I need in the back of my truck. Now all I gotta do is get the job done. When the sun comes up and the woods come alive, longbeards are gonna die. Longbeards are gonna die. Red, white, and blue heads, beards, and spurs. When he flies off the limb, I'm gonna rock his world. When the day is done and the sun goes down, another turkey's on his back in a grave he's found. The longbeards are gonna die. Yeah, longbeards are gonna die. A yelp and a cut from my old sleigh call. He gobbled back, I knew it was on. Up against a tree, down the barrel of a gun. He don't know what's about to come. At the decoy about to take his last breath, I got my bead on his outstretched neck. The last thing you'll feel is a face full of fives. Longbeards are gonna die. Yeah, longbeards are gonna die. Red, white, and blue heads, beards, and spurs. When he flies off the limb, I'm gonna rock his world. When the day is done and the sun goes down, another turkey's on his back in a grave he's found. Longbeards are gonna die. Yeah, longbeards are gonna die. From eastern Kentucky down to Tennessee, gonna finish it up in Missouri. Powder keeps a burning and my wheels keep a turning, chasing after the kings of spring. Longbeards are gonna die. Yeah, longbeards are gonna die. Longbeards are gonna die. Yeah, longbeards are gonna die. Day is done and the sun's going down. Another turkey's on his back in a grave he's found. The guys all giving me high fives. Another turkey's ready to fry. Another longbeard is ready to fry.
Every spring for 5 long years I've been chasing down the same longbeard. It's get up early and I give him all I got. Got me an old box call and a brand new choke, and this spring it ain't no joke. I'm gonna fool him good and finally get a shot.